Are you a parent looking for a nanny and wondering what the benefits are of hiring a service like mine? It's Real Wednesday, so let's get real. I am Jolie. It is Earth Day, so I thought I'd do a little outdoor Earth Day reel with you up in the mountains, enjoying this wonderful day. I hope you are doing the same with you and your kids as a nanny or a parent. So hiring a service like mine is really important. It helps you with all the legal things that you need to make sure you're doing around hiring an employee who is going to be in your home, first of all. It's also, the benefit of hiring a service like mine is that it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time to search, to vet, to really sift through nanny candidates to find the one that's best for you. I had a potential client call today, and it was like, how do we even start? Where do we begin? So hiring a service like mine is beneficial for many things.